A small group of Kenyans living in South Africa say they are fully behind President-elect William Ruto as he has been confirmed by the Supreme Court in Kenya. They say Ruto is facing a daunting task.
I think the first thing that he needs to deal with is, remember almost half of the country didn't vote for him. And then we have like almost 6.9 million people that didn't vote for him. And we have another 8 million that didn't even vote at all. So we are a very divided nation at the moment. So I think his first job should be to heal the nation, reconcile the nation.
All we want is a peaceful and progressive Kenya. Every Kenya is a peace-loving human beings, and we're looking forward to Ruto's presidency.
The judiciary in Kenya has pronounced that the election that we just had, well, one of those that are very credible almost in the whole world.
And some were clearly not ecstatic after Raila Odinga's crushing defeat once again. And it's the end of the road for the veteran leader.
He's contributed so much to the democratic space that Kenyans are enjoying today. And for that, as a nation, we should be entirely grateful for his contribution. I think he's tried his best. It's now time for him to go to retirement.
Analysts say this ruling has once again tested Kenyan democratic dispensation, and it speaks to the independence of the East African nation's judiciary.
It is really good that the court is able to maintain its independence, keep very calm, keep very focused on the matters of the law, and assist the country navigate knotty, difficult, and very complex situations that could have plunged the country into chaos as it did in 2007-2008. Now, we hope that this would send a positive message to other portions of the arms of the law throughout the continent, that they can play this very positive role and strengthen accountability and strengthen the rule of law.
Outgoing President Uhuru Kenyatta has vowed to ensure that there is smooth transition, but he did not mention the name of his Vice President, William Ruto. Kenyatta and Ruto had a fallout. The outgoing president also backed Odinga.
The process of handing over is in progress through the Assumption of Office Committee, which actually has already begun its work as of August 10th, 2022. And indeed, it is my intention to oversee a smooth transition to the next administration, and all the necessary orders to facilitate this process have already been issued.
Meanwhile, President-elect Ruto has taken a swipe to those who are vehemently opposed to the electoral body after it's declared him the winner of the tightly contested polls.
Democracy is expected to unite a people, strengthen their society, and improve their institutions, and must not become an acrimonious, fearful, and desperate enterprise. We offered alternative visions and missions and submitted to the sovereign decision of the citizens of Kenya. We are only competitors, not enemies. We vied to unite and strengthen Kenya, not to divide and weaken it.
President-elect Ruto will be sworn in next week. Khumalo, SABC News, Johannesburg.